Hi, this is Kyle Parker for Expert Village, and I'm going to show you how to create a drop cap inside Microsoft Word. Drop caps are usually found at the beginning of a chapter heading or something like that in many books, and so if you want to create that kind of style in your Word document, you simply just go to the first letter of your paragraph and then head on up to the Format menu and select Drop Cap. From there, you'll be given the options of regular without a drop cap, with the drop cap in the paragraph, or within the margin. Preferably, the standard is dropped regular, and you can then select a different type of font if you prefer, and then how many lines you would like it to drop, or if you would like to separate it from the text a little more. Then you click OK, and your letter has now been dropped, and you can see that it has moved all the other text around it, and it fits nicely there. If you want to undo this, you can go back and try and see what it looks like in the margin. When it's in the margin, you'll see that it's placed over to the left here of your text outside of the regular formatting of the paragraph.